This is using algebra. To find measures. Find the measure of YZ. Segment YZ. If Y is the midpoint, of XZ, and XY is equal to 2x minus 3, and YZ is equal to 27 minus 4x. Yes?
Is xy equal to 2x minus 3 and yz equal to 27 minus 4x? Will the yz and xy be segments?
Well, I have to draw a picture to answer that. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw a picture, and I'm going to put this data on the picture. Find the measure of YZ. All right, Y is the midpoint of XZ, right? So that's if I'm highlighting stuff. Y is the midpoint of XZ. So I'm going to draw that segment XZ on my paper. And it's not going to be a circle. So I'm going to get X on here, and I'm going to get Z on here as my segment. And Y is in the middle. Y is the midpoint of XZ. We talked about this the other day, that if Y is the midpoint, then X to Y is congruent to Y to Z, isn't it? Because it's in the middle. So then I'm going to get information on the paper. My X to Y is 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3. And my Y to Z is 27 minus 4x. So I know that. I'm trying to find out how far it is from Y to Z. That's what I need. In order to find out Y to Z, don't I need to know what X equals? Okay, so you have two expressions that are congruent to each other. So you set them equal to each other, and you solve for X. So your 2x minus 3 equals 27 minus 4x. I would move the 4x. So 6x minus 3 equals 27. Add 3 to each side. So 6x equals 30. And then divide by 6. Your x equals 5. Now, if 5, you're not done though, are you? You need y to z. So you do 27 minus 4 times 5. And that's 27 minus 20, right? What's 27 minus 20? 7. So y to z is 7. How far is it from x to y? 7.
It is.
How far is it from x to z? 14. Okay? So those are some of the types of problems you'll see today. Both of the examples I just did. Variables in the endpoint, and then using some algebra to find either midpoint to endpoint or entire segment length given a midpoint. All right, so any questions on either of those types of problems? All right, then your practice for today that's not it. That's it.